So one of the biggest challenges when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle is being able to eat your veggies and also work out consistently. Now the veggies part is pretty easy because we have access to vegetables. So when you go grocery shopping, you're able to get those. But working out requires you making time for the gym, driving up there, getting ready, and doing all of that. Now the kettlebell tends to solve this problem because one, it doesn't take space, right? You have one kettlebell and you can set it anywhere in your house. So you save the time that you need to drive to the gym, you save the time that you need to dress up, and you have the kettlebell there, which actually burns as much calories as you would if you were running a mile in some cases. So if you wanted to start off and you need a foundational workout, starting off with a kettlebell will be super ideal because then you can A, get in shape. Secondly, build a little bit of muscle. And third, build that confidence that you need. So when you then decide to go into the gym, it's an easier process. Plus, if you decide not to go, you already have something that works, something you've mastered, and something that doesn't take up space. So my advice to anyone looking to work out or start on the healthy lifestyle is to start off with eating their veggies and using the kettlebell because it solves all of that. And then it helps you save so much time that you would otherwise not have if you were trying to go to the gym or if you were trying to go with a different process. So if you're looking to start on a fitness lifestyle, think kettlebells and think veggies. Stay awesome though.